Positivity is not about being happy every day. Positivity is not an emotion, it's a skill. It's not something you are born with, it's something you can work on. And what does positivity bring to our lives? It brings the action. Being positive is taking the responsibility of doing things when a situation that I have is not what I want it to be. Responsibility is the ability to respond to a situation. But for that, the first thing we have to do is to acknowledge what kind of emotion typology we are. Are you a negative person, a pessimist? Are you a realistic person, or are you an optimistic person? Every day we can be a little bit of each one. It depends on the context and on the persons and on the situations. But the interesting thing is knowing what is my state of mind and how to use the positivity skills to get out of this state and do something. There are exactly 12 positivity tips, very easy, that you can apply in your day-to-day life to improve your positivity and maybe be a little bit happier.